Hello friends, today we will learn about adverbs. What are adverbs? Adverbs are words that modify a verb, an adjective, another adverb. Here we will get to know about different kinds of adverbs and we will fill them in sentences, and we will also write what kind of adverbs they are. There are different kinds of adverbs. For example, adverb of place, time, degree, manner, reason, frequency, affirmation and negation. Okay, so with the exercises we would know more about adverbs and we would learn them. Okay, we would get to know more about adverbs. The first one has been done for you. Here we are going to tell what kind of adverb it is. After we would underline the word in a sentence. Second one, Mr. Das was sent to New Zealand recently. So recently would be adverb of time. Harish walks very slowly. Slowly would be adverb of degree. Very would be adverb of degree, and slowly would be adverb of manner. Neha will surely help you if you ask her. Surely would be adverb of manner. Then fifth, we were completely exhausted after the trip. Completely would be adverb of degree. It could be completely, it could be partially, it could be occasionally, anything it could be. Garima was unwell and therefore she was absent for a few days. So therefore would be reason. It could be because, it could be therefore, it could be because, anything it could be. So it is adverb of reason. Seventh, it's in a question form. Do you write letters to your cousin frequently? It shows us about the frequency. With the name frequently we get to know it is adverb of frequency. The teacher will never allow us to go out of the school premises. It is the adverb of affirmation and negation. Never, it shows the negation of teachers, that they will not allow to go out of the school premises. Now the formation of adverbs, here they have attached ly after these adjectives. Admirable has turned admirably, sensible to sensibly, intelligent to intelligently. Now we are turning over the page, and here we will fill in the blanks with the correct form of adverbs. Answer is being given in the brackets and we are going to tick the right answer. The first one has been done for you. We are going to jump over the second one. Megha will be here shortly. Third, the train is an hour late. Fourth, we have nearly finished our work. Fifth, have you met Preeti lately? Sixth, the lawyer is trying hardly to make his client tell the truth. Seventh, it has started raining just now. Eighth, what he says hardly makes any sense to us. Okay. After this we are again come to another section C, where we are going to fill in blanks with correct form of adverbs. Again answers have been given in the brackets and we are going to tick the correct one. First one has been done for you. The second one, the program was very interesting and the audience quite liked it. The tree is too high for me to climb. Fourth, the teacher was much honored by the students. Fifth, Garima is courageous enough to stay in the house by herself. Sixth, Udit speaks Spanish fairly well. Seventh, my uncle never eats much at lunch. Eighth, the story he just narrated is quite true. With this we have completed with these adverbs, and now we are going to come on degrees of comparison of adverbs. For example, cautiously, then more cautiously, and then most cautiously. Again we have fast, faster, fastest. These are the degrees. Okay, with these degrees we are going to fill in these blanks. The first one has been done for you and this is our last exercise. Second, Naveen submitted his project late. Krish submitted it later, but Vikram submitted it the latest. As we know, late, later, latest. Third, Harish's essay is badly written, but yours is worse. Fourth, Gopal works harder to take care of the needs of his family. Fifth, Riddhi speaks more sensibly than her colleagues. Are you feeling better than how you felt yesterday? Seventh, young pony galloped more swiftly than the trained horse. Eighth, the workers hope to finish their work earlier than expected. With this, we have finished with the adverbs. Here in the degrees of adverbs, you have to learn this table, then only you will be able to fill up these. This is other than, for example, late, later, latest is not given here in this table, but there is table other than this table also. You have to learn it by heart. There are many words in it, so you can easily fill these adverbs. Okay. If you have any problem regarding this, please comment me in the comment section.